Your customers demand high availability for mission-critical equipment, and you are concerned about the high cost of equipment maintenance. You have invested in telematics systems, but the data is locked in and not used to improve uptime and reduce maintenance costs. PHALANX 6 has an AI-driven Copilot that lets your experts build rules and run automated analytics on equipment data. The Copilot can deliver value-added services for customers demanding ultra-high availability. Your team can also implement condition-based maintenance to significantly reduce ongoing service costs. With our easy-to-use software, you can minimize downtime and optimize maintenance schedules like never before. PHALANX 6 is the leading digital operations platform for equipment rental, providing the support you need to keep your equipment running smoothly.